Hello everyone, it's day 19 and January 19. Hope you are all right. And today also I'm back with this live. And for those viewers who are watching me from their home, like from after this live, uh, take care, man. And today it's been a great day so far, but today I had some bad timing also for some things, and also had I still have one bad habit which I need to control, and I'm working on that, and I will update you on that after some time. But I need to work on that. Like this, that is my self worth that I need to conquer. And today I had so bad headache. Right now also, I have so bad headache. Like this part of my brain is just like what you can say hurting so much, but also as I am commitment to come live each day for 366 days this year and learn and explore with you guys. So today I'm also back, and today I have a couple of things to do, and I will also work on the Nextjs Dashboard. And I still like, as you guys know, I learn and I do a lot of things, yeah. And today I need to check out certain things that I was doing, but because of my busy workload from the office, I had to pause. So I will be checking those alls, and I will be sharing the screen, but not right now. Like I will take some time. So for hope you don't mind, guys. So let me check. My oh, my head is so much hurting. I'm in pain, bro. I'm literally in pain. So I will be just for 1 hour live today. I need to mute, okay? So if you guys comment down, then I will absolutely open it. So hello, brother. So I will be sharing my live right now. Old, just I'm making my setup. So where are you from, man? Like as I told, like I will be live for 366 days, like this whole year, yeah. And today, my head is so much hurting. Like I'm in so much pain, but also have to do it live. I can't miss a single day. So many things to do, man. Like I have going on in my life. I'm from Norway. Yo, man. And what are you doing nowadays? Like, are you studying? Are you working as a professional? Or so? Let me see here. Okay, my screen. So first of all, we will work on that Nextjs project that we were making on this live. So okay, my Nextjs is this one. Like I was thinking to use like Beam, like Neo Beam, but I think I should try man Neo Beam. I'm a developer, you man. So what tech stack do you use, or can you discuss some tech stack? Like I really want to learn from you viewers. Like I really want to learn. Like I'm on my junior level role. Like uh, I had 1 year of experience as a SEO guy, and then now I have shifted my role as a front end developer, and there are so many things to learn, and I'm sometime got okay. So first of all, let me run this. So like, are you a web developer or app developer? Okay, so Android developer. Okay. So, do you like work only native Android stuff, or have you has also worked on like hybrid like Flutter or React Native? Cause I'm thinking to learn React Native, cause like I'm already familiar with the React, and I really like that the how easily our React Native app can launch with the Expo. So this is the site I'm making. So login, then after entering the number, then the APIs comes, then verify. So this is the dashboard, the company. I need to create a company, and I need to fill the details, upload successfully, and this is the active company like which I can make inactive also. And this I'm doing on a total front end, like I'm not connecting any backend, like I'm doing with the state management. And within a company I have one employer, like employee, his software like staff code, active number, edit. And today I need to work on this part, like I need to work on this part also. And bro, like I think I will do other pages also. So that's the plan today. Man, React is live, or UI to you have to use native code to access the sales with your app. Like why React Native? Like on the React Native also you can have the native system that you can work on, like that I have listened to. And another thing is I already have React knowledge, yeah. So it will be like for me more quick and like more easy to get into the React Native ecosystem. And the main thing is I can work on the iOS also and the Android aspect also. So that's my mindset. But like okay, so you do native, yeah, like native Android. So like what, like do you use Kotlin or Java or like, oh, so you are talking about the form validation or yup? Yeah, like I have used the yup validation here. I can show you. Yes, I have used this yup, yeah. YUP, yup. I have used this yup validation schema for the validating. I'm more into code. Okay, so have you heard this man? Like, I recently heard this like Kotlin multi-platform, or like this kind of where you can make a app for both Android and iOS. Yeah, like Android, iOS. Is this good? Have you tried it? Because like what, like I already am familiar with like Python, Django, Nextjs React and C++, and I'm thinking to learn Java for my for my first year also. Like I'm in my first year of my college, and I need DSA, like data structure and algorithms. So for Java, and then I'm thinking to learn Kotlin after learning Java. Like that's my thought process, but I'm not sure like I'm making right decision or not. Yeah, Kotlin got KTOR. Using that you can make a website. Java is about to. Are you sure, man? Like Java, like, but what I have heard is like Java Spring Boot is highly worked in the back end, and the most of the companies are also like for the professional and for the scale level back end system. They are like Java Spring Boot is highly used for. And man, I'm learning Java right now, and you are telling me to Java is about to die. So what should I do? Like I will be learning Java, but also okay. So let me have the page for the dashboard. Dashboard company ID. So I'm under the company ID. So I'm under the employee. So I'm on this page. Yeah. So this page. Okay. This page is under the employee, but I'm not talking about the. So this is the. Yeah, so if he has company, then this page will show. So I should work on this page. So this page I have create company. No, I need to point out to the company employee. For backend, you can Google don't recommend Java for Android now. Okay, so I think the Kotlin is main. Yeah, like what. Yeah, and the another thing why I'm not learning native because for a sorry a fact, like my system, my laptop is not that much high spec, and when I run Android Studio with other my setting and my live stream, then my laptop really goes like load. So but on the React Native, man, like on the React Native, like on like just a 5 minute you can start your app, like and from scanning the QR code, like it doesn't load your laptop also, the app just directly runs in the phone. And as from my research, like can I show you this one blog? Like I want to know like what do you think about this, like do you agree or disagree? So interesting web. So just a second, okay. So yeah, this one. Do you know this man? So yesterday, like I was reading this blog about who using Expo. Yeah, like this is the React Native. And like I'm talking about the React Native with the Expo framework only, not full React Native also. Like cause if I'm talking about the React Native, there are Facebook app, Messenger apps, so many apps, yeah. But just on the React Native Expo framework, you can see like Discord, Shop, Burger King. These so many apps are using React Native with Expo, and I was more curious and like so my thought process went like so okay, I should learn it. Like why my laptop is not loading? So yeah, it is load. Yeah, so there are Amazon, like so many apps like YNFL, like they are also like we can know like this Xbox is highly known app, and CIN is also and the insider. So like A1 Note, so many apps, yeah. MetaMask blocks and wallet browse. So yeah, Brave private web browser is also made with React Native for the phone and games too. Yeah, so I wanted to learn Expo, and on one hackathon like I participated, uh I had like just a few hours and I made a like a working app, not that fully complex, but a bit good. Still, they use native code with React to access sensors. Okay, so for the Android and for the iOS, they have to use their native code base. Yeah, like haven't tried that fully, but as you can see, like on my list, I'm for this month, January month, I'm totally focusing on like React and Nextjs, and until the April month, yeah. So until the April month, I have 3 month period. I need to learn React Native or any framework, and I want to publish an app on the Google Play Store and iOS App Store. And there are like full year planned out, and I also want to really work on like React Native or any app development part. You are right for camera to access files, location, Bluetooth, and many more. Okay, I didn't know like that was fully, but like as in my company, like what do you think about Flutter, man? Like Flutter, like yeah, for me React Native is good because I have already experienced with React. So when I see the that JavaScript code, I'm already familiar with it, like the hooks concept and like how the state is managed. Yeah, but in my country Nepal, like I'm from Nepal, yeah, so the most of the companies are now favoring like Flutter, and a lot of job openings are being in like Flutter ecosystem. And in my company too, like they are working on a Flutter app, like I'm making the web version of that app, and they are working on the Flutter app. So like do you want to try Flutter like in your long term, or have you tried already Flutter? So like what's your take on like Flutter is being like more used than other framework? Like that's my like thought process right now by seeing the my environment. So it will be dashboard company and the company, no, no, company. So it will be within a company. So what I can do is, okay, I will go to this page. Mm, and I think I don't have the. Do I have? So I have worked with a Flutter, but there are less resources and plugin for Flutter community is yet not as big as React Native. You though, like I was thinking the complete opposite of it. I didn't knew it. Like as you are already in the app development ecosystem, so you are more knowledgeable in this matter. But like I thought like from my country, like from my local companies and this type of environment, like most of the people are learning Flutter nowadays, and the all the companies are also having the job posting on the Flutter. And I was thinking like Flutter is like more. mature kind of way, so companies are hiring. But okay, and I think React Native is also came before Flutter. Like, and what I think is why the Flutter is like not really talked of, because like, but for my like point of view, there we can make app with the React Native CCLI, and another way is like React Native like Expo, yeah. And people are like confused about to go on a which path, and rather they just pick like Flutter, which only has like Flutter. This is the Flutter, yeah. So that also kind of makes some uh confusion for to start React Native as a beginner. Okay, so stay tuned to this channel, and if you want then you again subscribe. And until the April month, I'm sure gonna publish one app, and I have some ideas too, and I will work on that. But what I will do is I will also create the web version, a small web version of it, and I will try to like I haven't worked with the app, yeah, like before. So like from the web perspective, I will try to have those functionalities in the app, and I think you can also help me from this live. And until the April month, I really want to publish it. So like, and this month is all about React and Next.js. So this month I'm not going to try React Native, but next month I'm going to start learning it and doing some projects with it. So okay, this app will be created, and then I have the dashboard, company and employee, and then what I have is a FlexPlus tab. So yeah, I have the tab, but they are not filtered yet. Yeah, okay. And what I think is I shouldn't make the filter functionality right now. Rather than what I need to make is okay. So this I have, yeah. So what I can do is I can start working on the uh employee section, attendance section, report, and the setting section. Yeah, I can start working on this part. So this button will go back to the previous mm attendance. And what I need to do is, so that means I need to create a dynamic sidebar. So for that, what I need to go is okay. So I need to go on the sidebar, and I need to go on the company sidebar. Okay. So here what I have is okay. So I'm thinking what should I do is uh, have I used here use params? No, I haven't used the use params, so that might conflict my code. So what I need to do is okay. I need to have this. No, I need to have this code. I need to copy this code, and I need to apply it here, and I need to add that code here also. And what I need to do is I need to import that package. Okay, so from the next navigation I did, yeah. And why it is showing me okay. Sorry, my bad. I'm trying to import, not I should import it here. And what I need to do is I need to pass from here. So okay, that thing I will do. I need to also put this code inside the here, not the above. And I just need to take it. So I okay, so okay. And what I need to do is okay. So what I need to do is okay. So mm, so if I just make one, then I will be good to go. Okay. So these are the link. Yeah. So employee and create employee. So just I need to do is I need to pass this in each and every code of year, and I think that way it will work. So I will have the company ID. So inside the company, like what I have on my folder structure is under the company, yeah, under the company, no, no, yeah, under the company, and under the company ID, I have attendance. Yeah, so I need to first of all work on the attendance part. Mm, but the but the point is, I can copy this. Mm, attendance attendance is going to be okay here, and this code might not be here. Okay, what I need to do is I need to pass it like this template, not the other one. So otherwise it will show me error. You man, okay, I think now it will work, or it is complaining about something. Why it is complaining? So should I don't need to have this call bracket here? Okay, let me check it out. Mm, so what is saying? Invalid call. Who can call the functional number one? You man, like okay. So it is coming from the first page employee. Hooks can only be called inside the body. And I'm also calling from the body. What the, man? What is saying? Like okay, I'm also calling from the body. Let me reload. What do you think about AI? Are you scared? So in your country there are more jobs for flutter. In my country it's opposite. So you told me you are from Norway, yeah? Man, like, do you know? Just want to say, like, do you know Danny? Like, back in like 2 3 years, there was one game developer famous from the Norway, I guess. Like, he used to make games for the app and the web. I I don't know. Like, do you know him? But just wanted to mention it. Okay, so still no. You told about the AI, yeah. So what do you think about AI? Are you scared? Like, I'm not scared. Like I have my goals in like short term goals, mid and long term goals. Yeah. So currently I am 19-year old and I'm doing my two bachelor degree. One is on physics, one is on science, and another is in computer. Yeah. So for now I'm working as a front end developer. So and what I think is on the next 1 2 year, I want to grow my skills, want to learn more things, build products, and want to be a full stack developer. And as I am learning physics, on I want to do master PhD in physics. Like that's my long term goal, and I want to work on a quantum computing. And I think you have heard of it like quantum computing. So I'm really passionate about that, and I think that is the like the future we are heading for, and it will come right after 5 6 year. That's for sure. And if you check out my LinkedIn, like uh I'm on my day 47 of learning AI and ML. Like I do like daily learning AI and ML, and I post like what I have learned. And I'm learning AI and ML also. And if you see the books of so like February month, data science and AI and ML journey, and completing 100 days of like I'm also doing 100 days of AI and ML challenge. So I will be completing it. That I have seen one, two. Yes. So I'm not scared. Like okay. So I want to tell you a small thing. Okay. So like people are like there is so much hype about like why are you learning physics. Yeah, like I'm doing bachelor in physics, like major in physics and minor in math and stats. And on the next college I'm doing BCA, that means bachelor of computer application. Like there was one thing like I heard like most of the students nowadays are like hyped about AI will take my job, like there is AI boom, yeah, and the one person said AI will take the job of those who are already in the job. Like you haven't started working like in a real job and you are already thinking about your job will go down. Like that means like basically now the IT students are also more hyped about the AI that they have completely stopped learning because AI will take their job. But that shouldn't be the mindset. Like you can like I think YAML ops there is for making end-to-end site like for the data science production app. Is that compulsory to have a degree to get a job? No, like as I said, like after the my high school, I got a job as a SEO expert. So I worked as SEO expert for more than 1 year, and within a company, and I applied for the React Native, like no React developer, like front end developer post, and cause of like of my portfolio and cause of my projects I built there, they hire me as a front end developer. So degree is not like the mandatory, but what I think is if you can manage your time and do both, then there is no a problem, and I think I can manage my time. Yeah, you are right. AI can never replace us, but we can use them to make our code better. Yeah, absolutely. Like, if you see on my live also, I use Chat GPT if I'm getting stuck or if I need to write styling. Yeah, like I love styling, but not that much. Also, like this styling that. Uh, I just like sometimes get so frustrated, so I just go to ChatGPT and I say, okay, so make this styling, this colorful, yeah. So I do that stuff on the ChatGPT. You are right over that. Lazy people, yeah, like work hard, man. Like today, yeah, like yesterday, I slept for like I think 1 hour or 1.5 hour, and I went for the job and I came from the job and I did my work in the house, and right now I'm on my live stream. So like just work hard, man. Like that's my point. So do you use any LinkedIn? Like if you want to connect, like we can connect and discuss about more things on the future too. So can we connect on LinkedIn? Cause my LinkedIn tab was already open here. So just wanted to ask if is that cool for you and if you are comfortable to connect. Okay, yeah, like I have this problem. Yeah, so I don't know like what is happening in okay 15 number and 15 15 first. Okay, so what I need to do to fix this is I just need to reload because the problem is coming from this, but I've already fixed that problem. So I think the simple reload will solve it. Yeah, it solved the problem. Let me create one company. Yeah, I think it worked. Attendance. Yeah, the attendance page also came from the unique company idea. So I will work on this attendance part. So there is my Figma. So I will. So first of all, what I need to do is I have this. Like I was learning some quantum before my live. So what I need to do is I will bookmark this for the after I'm going to learn this. Uh, Jan 20. I can just close this because as I told you, my laptop of my home is not that highly spec, and I'm also like, and I want to on and I want to buy my own laptop as I'm for sure. Like I don't want to depend from my home. To be honest, I'm just making money to buy a laptop, a better one. Yeah, you work even harder than no, like I don't know about you more, but I think we all work hard. Like we have some resistance within us, like a small or a big or a past incident, and we push that each and every day to break. My dog was barking. God to check him. Did I miss something? Okay, so what I said was, yeah, like I fixed this attendance, and I was saying about like everyone is working hard, and there is some kind of resistance within us, like each day not wanting to work, want to just lay down in bed, but we need to do the work that we need to do. So that's my thing. And yeah, and another thing was I was telling, yeah, I'm going to open my Figma, and because like I closed my all of the tabs, like there was like 20, 30 tabs. I was seeing the quantum computing from the IBM. Yeah, there is one learning on IBM quantum. So I was seeing that, and I closed all of my tab because my laptop is not that much is- okay, that much capable of holding it. So, this one. So I made this already, yeah. So now I need to make this. So I have already made this. So need to work on this part today. I will be making this. So can I share you my LinkedIn if that is cool? You can connect because uh as you see I don't have too much viewer, and that's fine. But I just want to really connect with those guys who are in my life and just I feel happy. And as I told you, like I'm going to be live for 366 days full this year, not not missing any day, like straight all days. So I think after 1 year there will be some kind of difference. Like obviously there will be, and I want to see that from my side. And so this is my side. I think you can see. Okay, so I should work on this attendance. I don't have any experience with web. Is there something like responsive on web, like on mobile? We have to create UI in such way so that it looks similar on different screen. Okay, so okay, I don't have any experience with web. Is there something like responsive on web on mobile? We have to create UI in such way so that it looks similar in different screen. So for the native, like I don't know like uh, what do you use? Like do you heard of like material UI, or do you use kind of those component? Or but because the most of the component library there are in the internet, like there is the ant design and material UI and mantine, like most of the component they are already prefigured with the how they will look at the mobile and how they are going to look at the web. Yeah, so you can use those UI part also. And the another thing is, yeah, you can create like your custom css and styling, and that will be a pain, but you can really work with that also. Raul, hey bro, how are you? I'm great, man. And what about you? Are you doing your 30 days challenge? Yeah. Okay, okay, so okay, now I think I got your question regarding this. Why, like, we have to create UI in such way so that looks similar on different screen. But to be honest, I'm not fully okay, okay. Like, do you guys make two different UI for desktop and mobile? Yeah. Like, what we do is, we make for first desktop, and then we try to make responsive, like there will be a breakpoint. Yeah, like from the half screen there will be a breakpoint, and after that breakpoint the other things will fall under as the screen goes. Or there is another side. Okay, there is link, there is website and web application. Yeah, so website, the all the websites will be all responsive site because they are mainly static site. And the as of your customer, or as your user will potentially see the website from your phone also. But like the web application which I'm building, yeah, so this will have a dashboard and all of the stuff. Yeah, so most of our companies, what they will do is, either they will make a app like a separate flutter or native app, and they will say like after this breakpoint of your screen, go and download our app. Like we can't give you like full access this web application on the mobile side. Or if they have more developer and if they can really dig into it, they will try to make this for the phone also. But that will just make this not fully responsive also. Like I have tried to make kind of responsive, but it's not working, I guess. Okay, so this is the for my desktop. Yeah, and what I have done is, after the half screen it will go and the photo will go, and just I have this. So on the phone it will look like this. But as after I go like this, so I need to work on this part also, because there is this two component. Yeah, and cause they are fixed, like I have given this column and this column, they are different height and width. They are just being this. So that's my thing I want to say. But still I'm not fully experienced because I'm just starting my profession as a front-end developer. So I might not be the very good person to say, but from my experience that is the case. But I will update you after I learn, and I will discuss with my senior also. Yup, are you not checking on me? Yeah, like I was checking on LinkedIn, but I didn't add your post. Like I will check later on. Okay, so I see. And what about animation? So okay, if I'm using Tailwind, I will use this framer motion. I will use this framer motion for animation, or I will write my custom animation like this one. Yesterday I made one radio button. Okay, so I will show you my Where is my radio button? Dashboard, the company, create company. So yeah, I can create my custom animation also. Or there are more libraries for animation, like, and I'm also using this like material UI. So for the material UI, like they already give you, like they have some component already give even to you, like this one, yeah. So they have already given me this. So when I click here, there is some kind of animation going on, like button. I can show you from this button example that, and I need to make it on a dark mode. Okay. Yeah, so I can give you the best example for the button. Okay, so where is the button? Yeah, here it is, the button. So yeah, you are getting some animation here. Yeah, like when I click here, the animation, and you can change your animation as according to you. Like, but most of the UI component, they already gave you animation, or you can just write, like, or you can use this frame motion, or you can write your custom, like you can see here. Mm, so after just changing this, and if I have like some unclicked or like on drag event on my screen, so then I can just move this component under this motion deep container, yeah. Or I can scale them also. So this small animation I can easily do. And there are more component also for the 3D animate score. So okay, hmm, so okay, I need to go on this dashboard, company id, then I need to go on this attendance part. And yeah, attendance, so I only have this hashtag here. And what I need to make this is, first of all I need to make this as a use client. And one other thing, I'm importing this from the company header, and but I not need this. And another thing is, I will make this page a big P, because I'm going to use the functional component here also, so that will give me some disturbance. So for this, what I have is, okay, mm, I think I already have that upper level, this nav bar. Yeah, I think I already have that nav bar. Mm, yeah. So if I click on the attendance, yeah, yeah. So I already have this, the above, and what I'm getting is, when I over it, there is some kind of text going on. I need to fix that. So I need to create three box, and the attendance. Okay, so what I will do is, I will create a different component for this, and this will change like from like which day we are right now, and it will have our current date, and I will have the tabs here, so he can switch from year to year to year, and this will just stay at the same place at the top, and I will just change the data that I will get from my post API, from my backend. From my backend I will get that data. So yeah, I can get the data from my company. No, from my attendance. Where is my attendance? Yeah, so active companies, get inactive companies, get candidate data, post. Okay, department change. Yeah, and I can do it. And should I have used React query for this, or okay, bro? Good night, bro. Okay, bro. Let's meet tomorrow. I will come. It was my day 5. Sure, brother. Have a good night. We use animation too, but sometimes you don't turn off it from developer option, so it won't work Have you seen that animation option in developer mode? In the Android, yeah, I have used the developer mode, but I haven't really tried about the animation part. So okay, so people turn off because animation can use more power uses also and the other things. Okay, but I have never done that, or I didn't know that. And okay, so what I was saying was, mm, I was saying something, but I forgot it just now. I was mentioning. Oh yeah, I was asking you about like how you manage your state in like native code base. Like there is on our React there is Redux toolkit and just stand and like this state management component, yeah. And on the flutter there is gay attacks and blocks, blo, yes, blocks, and there is kind of state management, yeah, for your data to have a state. So for the native, like, do you have any, like, what do you use or what do you precisely use for the state, and how do you fetch and manage the APIs? Like, because on my React Native, no, on my React, I use React Query or RTK Query. So, and from my little bit of experience in the front end, like a software development, what I figure it out, like, there are a developer should be able to not just code but also to know the what are the libraries there are in the ecosystem, and by analyzing those things, he should really make like a trade off. Like, I had these two options to work for my APIs, yeah. So React Query and RTK Query. And if I have to say, this one is easy to learn and do, but I did with this because I was also using Redux toolkit for state, and I thought that state I can use this also, and that was my thought process, and I really trade off from this library to this, yeah. And yeah, so a developer should know to how to trade off and how to use, like, the main thing is how he thinks about a software. We use retrofit for fetching data from the APIs, and for this there is a tool called Jetpack Compose. Jetpack. Okay, so far, okay. So just want to see some code. Okay, so how your, so can I? Is there any example? Jetpack expose example. So there is a class override bundle on create saved instance takes. So like for you use Android Studio, yeah, like, can we use BS code also for like native development, or do we really have to use Android Studio? Because what I did yesterday was like, do you know that .NET framework? So usually for the .NET, like, people use other IDE or like Visual Studio, like, I'm using VS Code, yeah, but they use like VS Code Studio, that studio version, yeah. And yesterday I installed .NET in this VS Code, and I run a simple app, and I hosted on the Azure also, because yesterday I wanted to learn it. And like I'm also like a Microsoft student learn ambassador team. Like, do you know or no? But like there is Microsoft learn student ambassador, yeah. And they gave me like $150 credit for Azure each month. So I should use somewhere. So I was learning that. Yeah, you can use any ID, but Android Studio is the recommended one. Okay. Yeah, the main problem is that my laptop doesn't support. So okay, okay, what I click, okay. But after some month, I will be able to. I started coding when I was 13. I started with Java. Yo, bro, that's so cool. Like, okay, do you know this language? I know you probably don't, but do you know this Q basic? Like in my country, Nepal, I guess not the age 14, but I guess at the age of probably 14 or 15, I had this language on my text, like on my school, and I learned it. And after the like on my age 15, I guess, yeah, on my age 15, I started my web development. Like, just I know, like, okay, so there is this web development field, so they make websites, so this things, and this leaded me to your code with you. Hello, bro. What's up? So yesterday, there was net issue going on, yeah. So I need to just remove this. Okay, this there are a lot of things built for billions. Okay, overview about new market. Android Go edition. Core user interface, camera. So these are like native. Okay, yeah. Camera user tools, test your app, Gradle. So what is like Gradle? Like, I always or this Gradle, like that Gradle word was on the is the build automation tool for multi-language software development. Okay, it controls the development process in the tasks of completion and packaging to testing and development and publishing. Flexibility use both software to build software or build uh, automation tool is used for automate the creation of application. Okay, so because I had this Gradle file in the React Native also and on the Flutter also, I'm good. And yesterday, like you said something, yeah, but there was network issue. Did I miss anything yesterday? So your first language was the Java at the age 13. So right now, like how many languages have you tried, or are you more focused on like app only, like Java, Kotlin? Double clicks. So, what I can do is I will create this attendance, attendance. What I can do is I can create. No, I will do like component and Okay, and I will have one header attend attend header attendance. Okay, so I will have this file and I will have this RFC and okay, and I will just import that here. I will be working on that part, and below I will have this part. Yeah. So what I can do is, so I need to create each table for so many time, and I think there is also this table, and there is this employee table, absent table, and clock in. So okay, I need to hold for a second. So I should think like I should make a component. Okay, I will make one component. And I will use that component multiple times, because if I don't do that way, I will just have so many codes same. So if I make, okay, so I will make this source component, yeah, but this source component should also directly contact with this field, so it can source within this field, yeah, so within this table, and from this selection of the department there should be a filtering process also. So what I will do is I will create one header for this card, and like it can be on the same page, and I will create one table, and that table I'm gonna be using, okay, so absent clock it. Okay, so when I click on the attendee, this page will come, and the absent, okay, uh, Gradle is like a tool to inject dependencies. Okay, I have tried many, but I'm not good in all. What's your country? I'm from Nepal. Like, have you heard? Or yeah, I have also tried many, but at the end, I had more time writing JavaScript code, and I'm tend to, and I just have more confidence in Java because of the time I gave to it. So I'm on on the JavaScript. Sorry, like we were talking about the Java, so my mind clicked. So I'm more doing just JavaScript, but I want to learn so many languages, and that's also a bad way to think, I think. But I will be learning Rust also, like this year, this 2024 year. I really want to learn Rust. I'm writing some code to learn. So this was. Is my date working? Like why my screen is lagging? Why my net is not working? Hello? Can you hear me, guys? Okay, okay, sure. Sure, thank you. Like I thought my net has gone, or like there is something wrong with this system. Okay, so this will be error attendance. Okay, I can start working on this. So basically, I'm going to have a. I'm going to have Like, do I have something on React on this material UI I can use on? Okay, so what I will think is, okay, I'm going to see a box container. Okay, max prop container fixed. No spacing. What I can do is, okay. So so what I will have is, okay. So let me just try it. It can work or not. Okay. So I will have the item, but what I will do is, what, why it is not picking up items, why it is not picking the items. Okay, so the items is defined by this way. So the item is defined by that way, and this is using from the theme. Okay, I got it. Okay, so online center. Okay, so another thing is grid space 3c colon. Okay, I think this will work, and what I need to do is s3 so I can see. So why, okay. mm, so I need to import style also. Okay, so if I import the style, then I need to give it as a use use client also. And another thing is, if I'm using the style, yeah, style, so I should really import style from this. There are so many version of style. Okay, now it should work. Why it is not reloading? Hmm, can I try? Hmm, hmm. Why it is showing me same error? Yeah. Mm. So it is a coordinator spacing 2 3, and I guess it is a responsive also. Yeah, so you can see, yeah, it is a responsive. So as I told you, the most of the component like a material UI or ant UI, they are already have the like ant design also. So people use this kind of like the world's second most powerful, so they already have this component which we can work with. Nepal, I just search it. So you live near China, world tallest mountain peak is in your country. Cool, man. Have you ever been there? Okay, so I haven't been to the world tallest mountain. Like, it it is on Nepal, but for that there is some age criteria also, and there are some of the process that, and the 8,000 high, like I want to go, but not as soon, like probably after 5 years. So yeah, we have like a neighboring country as India and China, and we are on the middle of a small country. And on that country, I'm from Kathmandu as a capital city, and I'm studying and I'm working there. And just being live and being just able to communicate. Like right now also I'm feeling happy because I'm talking to someone who is above from my side of this world. Yeah, like we are on the same world, but also like I'm from this country and you are from that, and being able to share thought and being able to have like a same interest in programming, that is really kind of fun to me or a joy to me that I'm not able to express right now, but that's kind of cool thing for me. So yeah, this is the end design, and I was learning this tailwind css. Like do you use this tailwind css in app space also, like for the mobile apps? I think you have probably heard this tailwind css because it's kind of booming, I think. Like, can we use it for the native, or do we have to write? Because there is this sad share UI, and it is specifically for the Next.js or like React or for the web. Like, I can really make this whole web app with this component. This like this system, all the things like this carousel is so beautiful. I'm so in love with this, yeah. So because I know like how much time it will take to make this, and they have just make it for us. But as I'm using Material UI, and from my company and from in general, what I have heard is we should never mix two styling ecosystem in a same project, because there will be conflict, and we can manage that also, but our uh, last build version size will also be increased. And so I just choose to stick with the Material UI, and it's my first time working on Material UI, so I'm bit not fully sure like what are the ways to learn. So okay, there is this grid version too. So what it will do? Mm, spacing, responsive, break-even points, breakpoints. Yeah, for the laptop, this is the breakpoint. For the phone, like mobile, it starts from the zero to the tablet to the laptop to the desktop. Yeah, I have never used this much. Like there is so many things in component. Mm, so space array. So it is taking the key and mapping them. So okay, what is to so this is the text I'm giving. So what is on my design? So on my design, attendee absent late, attendee absent late, attendee. Why mainly have to use okay attendee. Okay, so it is. Mm, mhm. So wait, okay. And what I will do is, so these are the item, yeah. So what I want to do is, I want to give a board. So what I want to do is, no, I want to place it inside some box. I want to give it inside the box, and I now here I want to give this attendance. So I think, okay, but okay. So if I had this, yeah, it will coming, but I need to make this a flex. Okay, so what I will do is, under this grid system, I will keep uh, mm, display. So it came on this line, yeah. So I think the space should automatically come, but it should have come already. Like I didn't need it to give customs. Yeah, I shouldn't. Mm, is something I'm missing here. So there was this index, yeah, before. Mm. So stack is container component for arranging elements vertically or horizontally. Okay. Mm, how can I pass the values? Okay, so there's this API. Okay. Mm, so from the, I think can I think I should work with the this. Mm, I'm confused on this. And I need to do some chat GPT because I can't waste so much time. Okay, so let me try this if it works or not. Mhm. Ta-ra, ta-ra, ta-ra. So no, nothing. Or I haven't copied. I think I haven't. I think I haven't copied this code. Yeah, bro. What I gave you. When you use tailwind and you have to go for the metal UI, it's so like mm, I will give my own styling. ChatGPT is not understanding what I was saying. Okay, so what I will do is, okay, I will just give here. So I can just see that for the color, it was just taking the color from here. So why my was not working? Because it have because yeah, it gave this like the color, and I'm also doing the same. Okay, so I can just take this color. Okay, for example, and I can pass it to here. Yeah, and it should change here. Okay, so I got it change here. Yeah, so this way I want to do the stuff. Okay, okay, I will just do kind. I will. So this is the yeah, and so what is the other thing is, I think the font also is different. That my is not having the same font. I don't know the as color. Can I give just red? Yeah, I can just give the red, and can I give like a light green? No, no man. I was asking it as a different. Where the working on something? Come here, until you were like be like I had headache. Yeah, so I had a headache, and I was thinking that I shouldn't go live, but I went, and now my headache has been gone. Okay, just I remember one thing. Are you there, brother? I'm a bit sad. Not, I'm not sad, but I failed at something. Kind of failed. But yesterday also, I stayed the whole night, like up to 4 p.m. and I worked through, but I didn't commit it in my code yesterday. And if I had committed my code, then I'm not sad, but I thought Hello. Today my like I was hoping to make a streak, but today at the noon I went for my college. So today I had a practical lab, and to attend the practical lab I went, and on that time I used to have a meeting with my project manager, and I used to commit my code, and we used to discuss it, but today I missed that. So I didn't commit my code, and today I had no commit today. So just up to 19, not January 19. But that's cool. No need to. But I was thinking that I need there is so many same pages like with this table, yeah. And so, Hello, so are you there? So today my agenda is regarding Nextjs Dashboard. Yeah, so I'm exploring this this material UI. So you can just see that by using React Native, you can know why my words are being okay. So by using material UI, you can really make this so damn beautiful dashboard. Yeah, and just I'm exploring like what are the things are here so I can use on my future. It's so damn good. So I got it like why people are so obsessed with the material UI. And today I want to sleep too because but I will not because of my headache but So beautiful. I will just come after 5 minutes. So I'm back. I went for to make a coffee for me. It's so cold today. My laptop is so much. I think uh, now I should have to go for my another task I need to do, like quantum computing. There is IBM one challenge of space quantum, and um, I have been participating in that since 2 3 months, and I need to complete some of the challenges. So tomorrow is Saturday, so I will be live from day, from morning, no, at from noon to night, more than 10 hours. So let's meet tomorrow. So bye, see ya.